that system is still in use today. It's just the equipment and the people that have changed. And so, as would have happened so many times at Biggin during the summer of 1940, this happened to bring the vehicle. Radar stations positioned all the way around the UK could only detect aircraft out to sea once the aircraft crossed. So, strange thing to ask, but could you just do perhaps a quick head count of your party or group, just make sure everyone is here. If not, please make your way to the left-hand side of the crowd. Thank you. As Andy mentioned earlier, the 10th of July 1940 is today the date of official fly convoys. The aim was to cut British supplies, to destroy the RAF, to force it back from its bases in the southeast of England, gain air superiority and make the way clear for a German invasion of the United Kingdom. From the 12th of August 1940, the Luftwaffe's focus switched to the RAF, to its fighter stations, to the chain-home radar network. And there were heavy strikes that August against aerodromes such as Kenley, Debden, Hornchurch and, of course, Biggin Hill. And indeed, in the following days, the pace continued, the attacks continued, until the 17th of August, Saturday, the 17th of August, which was a very, very quiet day when you look in the record books of the squadrons. Certainly for our own 32 squadron here, we said absolutely nothing happened. A glorious day, but nothing happened. There was reason for that. The Luftwaffe were already laying plans for a major operation on the following day, which was the Sunday, 18th of August 1940, 78 years ago today.